Acumatica ERP is a modern, cloud based enterprise resource planning solution designed to help businesses streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and foster growth. Known for its flexibility and scalability, Acumatica provides comprehensive tools for managing finances, inventory, customer relationships, and more, all within a unified platform. So in this video, it will offer an introduction to Acumatica, highlighting its features, benefits, and how it stands out in the ERP market. So Acumatica is specifically tailored for growing businesses seeking an adaptable and efficient ERP system. Unlike many traditional ERP systems, Acumatica emphasizes usability, accessibility, and customization. Its cloud first architecture ensures that users can access critical business data anytime, anywhere, while its modular design allows businesses to implement only the features they need. So, whether you're in manufacturing, distribution, retail, or service industries, Acumatica offers a suite of solutions to manage your unique business challenges. Built with scalability in mind, it grows alongside your business, ensuring you have the tools necessary to meet changing demands without needing to overhaul your system. So, for its key features, first is the cloud based flexibility. Acumatica's cloud first design provides users with real time access to their ERP system from any device with an internet connection. This enables remote work and better collaboration across teams. So, this promotes business continuity, reduces IT infrastructure costs, and ensures users always work with the latest updates without manual intervention. Another key feature is its comprehensive financial management. Acumatica includes tools for general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and budgeting. Its financial suite integrates seamlessly with other modules to provide a holistic view of business performance. This simplifies financial processes, ensures compliance with accounting standards, and enhances decision making through detailed financial insights. Another key feature is the advanced inventory management. The inventory module helps businesses manage stock levels, track inventory movement, and reduce waste. Features include real time inventory tracking and automated reorder alerts. This ensures optimal inventory levels, minimizes stockouts, and streamlines supply chain processes. Another key feature is its customer relationship management integration. Acumatica's built-in CRM module supports customer lifecycle management from lead generation to customer retention. It provides tools for managing sales, marketing, and customer service. This improves customer engagement, boosts sales effectiveness, and ensures customer data is accessible to all relevant teams. Another key feature is its industry specific modules. Acumatica offers tailored modules for industries like manufacturing, construction, and retail. These modules address unique needs such as production scheduling or project management. This reduces the need for third party software, ensuring a seamless and integrated experience for industry specific workflows. Another key feature is its scalability and customization. The platform allows businesses to add new users, modules, or integrations as they grow. Its open API architecture ensures easy integration with third party applications. This supports business growth, reduces the need for frequent system changes, and adapts to unique organizational requirements. So, why is Acumatica a great choice? Acumatica stands out in the crowded ERP market for its user centric approach and commitment to innovation. Its cloud first infrastructure and modular design ensures it is not only cost effective, but also highly adaptable to a wide range of business needs. Furthermore, Acumatica's emphasis on usability and integration makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking to improve efficiency without sacrificing flexibility. So, one of Acumatica's greatest strengths is its focus on empowering businesses with real time data. This enables decision makers to stay ahead of the curve, respond quickly to market changes, and drive growth. Moreover, the platform's licensing model, which is based on usage rather than per user fees, makes it an affordable choice for growing teams. So basically, Acumatica ERP is a robust and versatile solution that caters to businesses of all sizes and industries. By providing comprehensive features like financial management, inventory tracking, and CRM integration, it helps organizations streamline their operations and improve overall efficiency. Its cloud based infrastructure, scalability, and industry specific modules make it a valuable tool for businesses looking to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. So, whether you're a small business looking for an accessible ERP system or a large enterprise in need of an adaptable and integrated platform, Acumatica offers the flexibility and power to meet your needs. Choosing Acumatica not only enhances your operational capabilities, but also positions your business for long term success in today's dynamic economic landscape. So, if you need more information about Acumatica, you can always visit their website, which is acumatica.com. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.